Hello, in UPSC recently Deputy Superintendent Archaeological Engineer post has been released. On that post, they are looking for a level 10 officer. On level 10 officer, and the requirement are BTech in civil engineering, and having 3 years of experience. And this is really important because directly you are able to get the opportunity to crack UPSC and having a pre-level 10. This is really interesting, and someone having 3 years of experience with a BTech civil engineering. So yes, if you can explore this opportunity also. Let us have the brief discussion. What are the topic you need to study for this? I have summarized in the 10 most important areas based on which, if you go through the important points, then it will be helpful for your. If you are really interested in deputy superintendent archaeological engineer post, on that post, few, as I already mentioned that BTech civil engineer, their experience, government sector experience is they are emphasizing this area. So this is also important. So this is level 10 post, 35 year of means age limit they are providing. They are saying you need to remember this heritage, conversion principle, traditional construction techniques. What will we are generally using techniques for construction? This is really common for those who are having this 3 year of experience in civil engineering. They will know this thing, and then strong knowledge in code, materials, and the site management. Okay, so let us go through the brief of what are the important topic, and I strongly recommend you to go through this 10 areas, and it will help you out. If you need any specific information within this 10 uh, important topic, you just pin me. I will have a elaborate discussion. Building material is important area because the entire system means the previously what they are in this building, or after that what will be, how we will means manage, what are the new material are there in the ancient time, what material they are using, what may be the percentage of calcium oxide, or what is the substitute for cement, what is the substitute for traditional brick. So these are things you need to know. So building materials is important area. In the survey, how dumpy level is using, what water level, okay, measurement, architectural area. Okay. So these are the things you need to know. Then the building construction, okay, different type of foundation, wall, okay. Then and in art also, what if there is a art, then whether you go for traditional RCC, and in that time maybe this is constructed in the year 1800. In that time, whether the arts having the RCC or not, definitely they are not using RCC, they are having some kind of ancient type technology. So whatever you are suggesting for rebuilding or maintenance of that arts, that should be in a collinear with that period, so that it will be helpful in structural engineering. If there is, you need to renovate, or you need to go for reinforce the structure, what are your suggestion? The basic codes are there, means 8 have 1 4 5 4 5 6. As you know, this is a basic and a fundamental code for as a civil engineer. And after that, the 800 for the steel, then 1905 is a 1905 is the code which is for non-reinforcement concrete. Okay, so these are most important 3 code you need to study. Then the soil foundation, okay, then mean percolation, whether this kind of bearing capacity, resettlement of the foundation, this kind of the basic requirement is there. Then concrete technology, most importantly NDT test, non-destructive test, rebound hammer test, ultrasonic pulse velocity test, code test. So these are important. This area is really important, because you definitely, whether in the interview or in the exam, you will definitely face this important topic. Then conventional monuments and the heritage structure, there are a lot of principles are there. Okay, there are a lot of chapters are there. Venice chapter is one of the important. It is 1960, 1964. This is the most important chapter, international chapter. Venice charter. Variance charter is the most important thing. Because if you want to know about more, you just ping me. I will discuss about it. Variance chapter also. So even though you will also have some CPWD guideline also regarding that, the monumental conservation, you will have a detail in the CPWD. There are CPWD manuals also, and variance charter is the utmost important in that point of view. Then estimation, cost and valuation. This is a common thing for you, those who are having 3 year experience. You will know the common people. So you can go through. If you require anything, just let me know. Then the construction management, then the partnership in the simple word. How many material is required? Means how you will manage this thing. What are the dummy activities? What is activity? What is array? So this kind of thing you need to know. Then the standard code, as I already mentioned, that 456 important, 81905. This thing is very important. Although you can go through the archaeological survey manual guidelines, CPWD manual. These are really helpful for you. Okay, this is a brief 10 important discussion. If you need to know, or if you want more clarity, or if you want more thing about any individual point, you just let me know. I will explain. So wish you best of luck for your Deputy Superintendent Archaeological Engineering post, UPSC. Once again I am highlighting this because it is really interesting. Okay, thank you.